I have MEIZU 15 and let me show you how to speed up this device, so let me show you how to optimize this phone. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to open the security app right here. From the following view, let's choose optimize. So you can just optimize this device by clicking one button. It's really useful. Tap optimize and the device is cleaning the junk files, cleaning the memory. Let's just tap done. You can also scan your device if you would like to and use the cleaner. So for example, let me use the cleaner. Let me use the suggested cleanup to have some more space, more memory. And that's it. As you can see, now you can go back and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.